here's our delete wallpapers on iOS 18. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can delete wallpapers on iOS 18. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. To delete a wallpaper on iOS 18, what you have to do is just tap and hold on your screen. So you can just tap and hold wherever you want to. So I'm just going to hold my screen, and here, as you can see, that I bring up this. So what you have to do is just go to the home wallpaper that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete this wallpaper right over here. What you have to do is just swipe up and you'll see the option of delete. Just press on delete and press on delete this wallpaper. And here, as you can see, that I've successfully deleted this wallpaper. And yeah, you could just delete how many you can want. Just swipe up and you could basically delete the wallpaper here. So yeah, I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.